Today we're releasing our 2022 Top Safety Pick winners. There are 65 vehicles that qualified for our Top Safety Pick Plus award and another 36 that qualified for our Top Safety Pick award. To receive either of our awards, a vehicle must achieve our best rating of good in all 6 of our crashworthiness tests. That includes 3 frontal tests, our original side impact test, a roof strength test, and a head restraint test. The vehicle must also get an advanced or a superior rating in our vehicle-to-vehicle and vehicle-to-pedestrian front crash prevention test. Finally, to get our TSP award, a vehicle must offer good or acceptable headlights on at least one trim level. To get our TSP Plus award, the vehicle must have good or acceptable headlights on all trim levels. With so many vehicles on our award list this year, consumers have a lot of options when it comes to shopping for a safe vehicle that will provide good occupant protection and potentially prevent a crash. Hyundai Motor Group was the big winner, which includes the brands of Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis. They had 21 total awards, 11 of which were Top Safety Pick Plus winners. Volkswagen Group was also a big winner this year. That includes the brands of Volkswagen and Audi. They received 11 awards, 8 of which were TSP Plus winners. And finally, Volvo was another big winner. They received 10 awards, all 10 of which were Top Safety Pick Plus winners. The good news for consumers who may be shopping for a minivan or a pickup this year is that they have more choices. Last year at this time, we only had 1 pickup on the list and 2 minivans. This year, there are 4 minivans and 4 pickups to allow consumers more options. Good headlights are important because 50% of all U.S. traffic fatalities and 75% of pedestrian fatalities occur at night, dawn, or dusk. Automakers continue to make improvements in their headlights, both with respect to increasing the amount of visibility for the driver down the road and decreasing the amount of glare for the oncoming driver. This is one of the reasons that we continue to see growth year over year in the number of award winners. Front crash prevention systems for vehicles and pedestrians continue to be more prevalent. More than 90% of our award winners this year have systems that are now standard across all trim levels. That's welcome news to address the growing pedestrian fatality problem that we have in the U.S., where we've seen pedestrian fatalities increase by 50% in the last decade. In an effort to improve vehicle safety even more, we will usher in 2 new tests for our Top Safety Pick criteria next year. Vehicles will have to perform well in a new, tougher side impact crash test that will be run at a higher speed and with a heavier barrier. Vehicles will also have to excel at a new nighttime pedestrian crash prevention test. Finally, only vehicles that have good or acceptable headlights available on all trim levels will be eligible for either of our awards. Today's announcement is the initial list of award winners for the 2022 model year. We will continue to test vehicles throughout the year and announce additional winners as they qualify. We know that buying a vehicle right now can be a real challenge. Chip shortages and supply chain problems continue to be issues for the automakers and their production schedules. The good news is that with so many vehicles on our list and multiple models in every vehicle class, consumers should be able to find a safe vehicle that will meet their needs.
Thanks for watching Cars and SUVs. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.